This video lecture explains the block diagram representation of the first order linear dynamic system. We simply write the dynamic system transfer function in a box. Then the input to the system is in time domain r of t and output of the system is y of t. To convert them into the Laplace transform, just we take the Laplace transform of the input signal and it is converted to the r of s, and similarly the output will be y of s. So whenever the system input is represented in the Laplace transform and the transfer function of the system is given, then the output of the system is very easy to represent by the product of the transfer function of the system and the input to the system. So this simplifies the representation of the input output of the system, and to get in the time domain the output, it is easy just to take y of t as the inverse Laplace transform of the y of s and vice versa. Consider here that we have the first order system transfer function and the input to the system is unit step function. From unit step function means that it is the constant input to the system. This is the time and here is the signal u of t, and the signal remain constant with time. Suppose it is 1, then it is unit step function. So the Laplace transform of this signal is 1 over s. In this case the output is c of s. So we can say that c of s is the step response of the system given in this box. So c of s is equal to b upon s into s plus a. To get this response in time domain, one can get the inverse Laplace transform of the output, and it will be c of t, which we will explain on the next video lecture. Thank you very much for watching this lecture.